y'all. So I need a where is my hat? Because this is funny to me. I got this big black patch right here. No, I'm not going outside. No, I need a hat. I guess I gotta buy a hat, because no, child, hell no. Good morning. I have no gas in my car, so it is 10:40 and I'm running late with a capital T. I have so much to say, child. Okay, if your hairstylist shows up and their hair looks actually good, be scared. Be scared. Mine don't look good, so look at this, child. Okay, but guess what? It's gonna be cute when I go out of town. Okay, so hey, baby dolls. I know. Ooh, my car is frozen. I know, girl. I know. My car says she don't like this. Good morning. So if you guys did not read the title, which you should have, you probably clicked on this video because of the title. Hi, my name is DIMETHEDONN, aka DIMETHEDONN. And if you don't know, now you know. This is my YouTube channel. And if you guys go all the way back on my YouTube channel, I deleted some videos, but I've had this channel since I was in high school. But y'all will see videos from my freshman year of college. I have graduated now, and now I am a full-time hairstylist. A lot of y'all have watched my growth. Has been a lot because I haven't posted a lot, but for those who have been here since day one, hey! And to those who are coming along for the rest of the journey, hey! I'm in a good mood today. So yeah, I have a photo shoot today with my client Kyra. Today I'm working with an influencer. Kyra has a YouTube channel. You guys have seen her in my last YouTube video I posted. I was supposed to post 2 more that I recorded, but I don't think I liked them, so they didn't get posted. But I'm working with Kyra, and I'm also working with my friend Brandon. He's really my boyfriend's friend, but all my boyfriend's friends are my friends. So Brandon, aka the Boss Life, Big Boss. He is a celebrity photographer out here in Atlanta, and he's fire. I'm going to leave everybody's pages, their socials, everybody I'm working with, everybody I come in contact with. Not everybody I come in contact with, but today, all of their links, so you guys can see them and watch what they do. And also you can book Brandon, because when I tell y'all he is fire, he is fire. He did a shoot for me last year, and he'll be doing another shoot for me this year, but we'll talk about that later, you dig? So yeah, y'all, I have a photo shoot with those two today. It is for Kyra. She hit 80K on YouTube, period. I literally done her hair a few times, and when I tell y'all, she is the most sweetest, hardest worker. Like, she like me. Period. So yeah, y'all. So that is what we're doing today. We right now are on our way to Target because I need more makeup, and I don't got time to go to Ulta. So yeah, Target got some good makeup. I ain't gonna cap. So we're on our way to Target. I need to get a hat because my wig isn't on. I'll be real honey with y'all, it's not on. I ripped it off last night. I got back in town last night, I ripped it off because my head was itching. So I ripped it off, and I was like, oh, I have a photo shoot today, and I can't go outside with no braids in my head. So put this on, and then I'm going to probably like wash my hair tonight. I don't know. Yeah, actually I can't wash my hair tonight. I got time, but then I go back out of town on Thursday, y'all. But I'm going across the country to my home. There's a vlog. I haven't vlogged there in a minute, but I have a vlog on here when I went home to Vegas. But we're going to Vegas for my boyfriend's birthday. So this probably will be uploaded either tonight or Wednesday, the day before we go. So I'm going to vlog Thursday through Sunday. I land back in Atlanta on Monday. So yeah, I got a lot coming up for y'all, and yeah, so this is like my personal channel plus my work channel. It's all one thing, and yeah, y'all get to see it all because I fuck with you, girl. Yeah, I'm in a good mood. I'm being weird. It's like 25 degrees out here. Ooh, I should have put water on my windshield wipers. I don't know nothing about having a car. Did y'all hear that? That scared me. We're not gonna use these windshield wipers for the rest of the day. We not. So yeah, I am pulling up to Target right now. I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna get, I just need a few products. I want to get some tea. I actually don't want tea. I think I want coffee. Am I gonna be crazy if I get me some iced coffee in 25-degree weather? Questions I need answers to. So there's one right here, period. Oh, too close to the pole. So yeah, y'all, we're about to go in here. Let me put my mask on. Do y'all be having like random people? We don't put the black mask on because I already got on a lot of beige today. My hair, my jacket, my jumpsuit, my socks, my Crocs. I'll show y'all the outfit of the day. It ain't no big drip, and I don't got on a bra. I need one, but I said, forget it. Not today. Plus, I have a wig I have to finish today. Oh. I got my Marc Jacobs tote bag. Okay. Child. Okay. Y'all see this? The lace not even... and my skin dry. Okay. So, y'all, I forgot to get my little hat. So, we just have to rock out with these ratchet ass baby hairs. I have a whole hoodie on my head. We'll be fine. I really don't care. I just know people like to post people. Child. They like to post people working. They like to post people working. And these baby hairs, child, I needed a hat. I took my emergency hat out the car. I was cleaning my car and took my emergency hat out the car. That's the one thing I should have kept in the car, my emergency hat. But whatever. I didn't get any Starbucks because the line was too long. So I'm about to go put some gas in my car. I don't know why I sound like that. I'm about to put some gas in my car. There's a Starbucks right next to my suite, but like, what do I know? I don't know, y'all. But this vlog is already gonna be a super duper long. So I will talk to y'all when we got important shit going on. Okay? Period. Bye. Alright, y'all, this is Tarrah. Y'all already met her.
Hello.
Period.
What's up?
This is the finished makeup look. Super neutral to go with her outfits. And you see her nails? Period. It's a look. It's the whole look.
It's a vibe. Stay tuned.
Okay. Hey, baby dolls. I am back. Y'all saw. Okay, y'all. So it's currently 3:02, and the shoot is at 3:30. I had a wig I had to finish making while I was at my suite. So now I'm about to go. I'm about to go to the shoot. She left around 1:15. So 1:12 to be exact. So I gotta touch up her makeup and I'll fix her hair a little bit. You already saw her face looked fucking good. Okay. This is the outfit of the day. We wrapped up. We are done. We about to go. This is Brandon, aka the Boss Live. This big boss right here. Yes, I am doing a YouTube vlog. Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you. But look, this is big boss. I'm gonna leave his socials in there, but yeah, y'all. Video. But yeah. Hey baby dolls, I'm just realizing that I didn't finish this vlog out. So, it is months later, but I'm gonna upload it for you guys. Here's her pictures. They came out bomb. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. And I will be posting more vlogs as well. So, love you.